Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are breaking down Tangem versus Arculus, two of the top hardware wallets in 2025, so you can decide which one fits your needs. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about security. So for Arculus, it uses a three-factor authentication system combined with its metal card design, giving you an extra layer of protection before approving transactions. Tangem, on the other hand, relies on NFC-based encryption, which still delivers strong security, but with a much faster and simpler experience. When it comes to ease of use, Tangem definitely takes the lead. Its NFC system makes transactions instant and hassle-free, literally tap and go. Arculus requires authentication through its app and PIN, which means extra steps. That's great for security, but not as smooth for daily use. Now, let's talk about the costs. Tangem has no subscription fees. You only pay normal network transaction fees. Arculus charges a one-time purchase fee for the hardware, plus standard blockchain fees when sending crypto. So which one should you actually choose? Well, you want to go with Tangem if you want simplicity, mobility, and fast NFC transactions with strong protection. And you want to choose Arculus if you prefer extra authentication layers and maximum security, even if it means a slower workflow. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!